Yeah, because it won't make it visible. You can hit my bumper anyways. So you can hit my bumper. You might have to turn it down. Rock it out. It'll roll out. Well, the only thing is, hey, that bolt. Ooh. Yeah, fucking loosen this nut and fucking rock it out. That big nut, with that big bolt, and just rock it out a little bit. And then roll these forward. Roll what? And I'm just saying, you can fucking pull these out a little bit. Yeah, I know. Dude, that looks so stupid. That'd be nice. God damn.
Those look good. Looking perfect. Alright, so the twins just picked up a new set of rock tamers, so that way when they're towing with the trailer behind with the truck on it for shows, they don't get rocks up on the truck and everything. But obviously we have a lot of adjustments to do because these were on someone else's truck before, so as you can see it's not sitting correctly and it's about to hit the bumper, so got some adjustments to do, but just wanted to get out here to make sure it fits and everything, and it's going to work out for them.
Loosen these and spin it. So
why are you struggling so hard to put these things in the back of the truck? You're struggling so bad. We're being lazy.
Might as well clean my bed. I got the fuck right.
Come on, housekeeping, clean the bed up.
Oh.
Make your bed. Good boy, close it. Make sure she's straight.
Are you done?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out and we'd appreciate it. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm keeping my hood up today because I need a haircut. You know, this quarantine's really got everyone messed up and I need a haircut. So for my own sake, I'm leaving my hood up. But we got Rob and Ryan over here today. We're at Preston's house. He's in the back right now whipping up some burgers for us so we can have lunch. But we're going to have Ryan take over and talk about today's upgrade. So with that being said, here we go.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we're going to do an install video of this Peak Deep Performance Oil Catch Can for any of those guys with Cummins. You know how fucking messy your crankcase vent makes underneath the truck. So we're going to get rid of that nasty mess, all that oil shit underneath your truck. This guy, you can mount it pretty much anywhere. They give you a little universal bracket. Wherever you can find a spot, you can mount it. 2 little holes, clamps right over the catch can. They give you, probably about 3 feet of hose here. All little kit. They're fairly priced. We're gonna see how much it cleans up the underside of the truck and hopefully get rid of that big mess.
All right. So one thing I want to start doing is what did this kit run you? So we can let the viewers know how much it cost.
It was $200.
I'll put a link down below in case you guys want to get one for yourself. But like I said, $200. We're gonna go ahead and get the truck pulled up. We're gonna eat lunch real quick and then we're gonna get this thing thrown on. So 3 feet of hose? That's like 7 feet of hose. Yeah, probably 6.
This is 9 inches.
Yeah, he's also, you got a 14-inch feeder too. Yeah, that's like 10
feet. 8 feet, dude. That's
okay, 8 feet of hose. We got 8 feet of hose, not 3. What's up, dude?
You want to
Got the lens all dirty, you little turd. You haven't been on the vlog in a while. What's up? Go quick. Last time he was on, he was so small. Yeah, he was a little puppy. You can't eat the microphone. Stop trying to do that. Brennan's dog did the same thing. So we got Grill Master Preston back at it, whipping up some lunch for us. What are you doing, Preston? What kind of seasoning are you throwing on these babies?
Oh, garlic powder and some sweet and smoky.
Oh, baby, it's gonna be good lunch today, boys. What do you say, guys? Good lunch?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. All right, so right now we got the truck pulled in here. I'm trying to figure out a location to go to mount the canister. He was thinking about putting it over here, but it'll be too hot, and also the air filter's gonna be in the way because on the bottom of the canister there is a drain. So wherever you put it, you gotta put it in a spot where you can easily access the bottom of it to be able to empty it out and drain it out, which you're gonna want to do every time you do an oil change, depending on how much you drive the truck, because it will fill up. So we're looking under the hood like I showed you earlier. There wasn't a lot of spaces, and then we were looking underneath here, and we found a couple spots, but nothing really good. And then they gave us about 10 feet of hose, so I was originally thinking maybe mount it back on the frame, but Ryan was looking underneath here. And originally thought about putting it right there, but it was kind of in the way, so we think we found a spot that we're gonna mount it, which is gonna be right on the driver's side by the frame mount here, right there, and then we can adjust the canister inside the clamper up and down if we need to. But right there is a good spot, that way you can empty it out every oil change, every 3,000 miles, or whenever he does an oil change, just empty it out. But good location, out of the way, and also easy to access. So that's what we're gonna do. We're marking it up now. We're gonna start getting the holes drilled. Thanks to Preston's military grade Black & Decker little drill here, we'll be able to get to these holes a lot easier. Black & Decker for the win. Let's go. Industrial, heavy duty.
Junk.
Junk.
What the hell is this?
I don't know. So as you can see, we just got both the holes drilled, and right now he's gonna test fit it, make sure everything lines up. Because who knows, he probably didn't line them up correctly. He probably have to drill another hole.
Probably not.
I'm just messing with him.
By golly.
Would you look at that?
She fits.
All those years of construction paid off.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna bend.
What is that? Little teeny hacksaw. Thing's adorable. All right, well,
Teeny like Connor.
in 3 hours when you get that done, let me know. Alright guys, so as you can see, we just got the mount all mounted up. It's all bolted and everything's tightened down. You can see we got it all mounted up, and he did mount it towards the bottom so that way when you come out here, like say, even if this was eye level right here, which obviously it's not, you wouldn't see anything. But from actual eye level, God, that Mountain Dew box, keep kicking it. From actual eye level, you don't see anything, as you can see right here, but it's all mounted up and it looks good. And it's, you want to give it a little wiggle there so they can see how solid it is. Not going nowhere. So we're gonna go ahead and take the old, come up here, get the old crankcase breather hose off, and get the new one installed just right there, which I'll show you here in a minute.
So here's the old nasty breather tube. We're gonna spin this CCV vent and face it downward so we can connect the hose on there, put our hose clamp on, we'll run it down to our catch can.
You want to pull that off so we can show them?
No.
There's your answer. Alright, so it's just right there. Let me get the camera to focus. Alright, so there's the tube he was just talking about. We're going to put the new hose on here. We'll spin it back down and get it attached onto the catch can. The hose clamp on there and the hose is all hooked up. So now we're gonna go to move down here to the catch can, get the hose cut and get it all attached. Alright, so we got the extra 3 feet of hose cut off. Since we had 3 feet to start with, we got an extra.
I made a mistake, okay?
It's alright. They'll roast you in the comments for it, not me. I don't have to say anything. Alright guys, so as you can see, we just got the hose all hooked up to the canister, and it's all ready to go, and you got your little drain right here, so you just loosen that up and it'll drain all out. Good location for that, super easy. You can just throw a bucket underneath here if you need to, and empty it. And we are gonna, he's gonna look for a filter cover for this, so that way any other dust or anything, it will be protected by a filter sock. So that's something else to look at. Thank you. Damn. One wheel peeling. One wheel peel. Jesus. That was crazy.
That's the biggest one I've done yet.
Do a burnout, they said. It'll be fun, they said. That's all you gotta clean everything up. Nice. That was pretty solid. All right, I'm leaving that in. All right, guys, so we just got back from a test drive. Everything went good. We just went out to get some photos. We weren't really testing anything. There's nothing really to test. But how would you measure on a scale difficulty of this install?
Well, as long as you know how to run a drill and a screwdriver, you're set. So it's like a 1 to 10, it's probably like a 2. It took us all of probably
there you go.
30 minutes.
Probably more like a 1.5. Super easy install, but it'll help clean up under his truck because you got crap all underneath there. Yeah. But make sure you guys, if you guys put this on your truck, you just want to empty out every 3,000 miles or every oil change, depending on how often you do oil change. But it does say every 3,000 miles, so that's what it recommends. But follow us all on Instagram. There's links down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go down below, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment if you have any questions. We'll get back to you, and we'll see you in the next video. Right, Rob? Mm-hmm. Would you agree?
Are you done zooming in on my face?
I'm not even that zoomed in.
Yeah, I would agree. Get the fuck out of here, dude.
Ladies, he is no longer single.
Nope, I'm not.